Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag SQL Server DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to configure the SQL Server 2025 with Windows Server 2025 for the merge replication. So merge replication is that when you are deploying two servers or more servers and merge replication, so both the servers will be synchronized to each other. Okay. So we'll go through the step-by-step full process. So here already I have created video regarding the installation and configuration the SQL Server 2025 and SQL Server Management Studio SSMS on Windows Server 2025. So you can go through this URL. You will get a configuration part of the SQL Server on Windows Server. Now I am going to SQL Server 2025 merge replication step by step on Windows Server 2025. So we will be using two ways to SQL Server. I am going through the SQL Server Management Studio graphic user interface and using the T-SQL script also. Now I am going to configure the merge replication between two connected server. So let me open both the server. Both the servers are running on the VMware workstation. You can able to see. Now I am going to access both the server. While installing, I have given the IP. So mstsc. So 134 33 and another is 134. So both the servers I have taken the remote. This is a Windows server, so MSTSC remote. We can take the remote for the both the server. Let it open. So this is server one. Sorry, this is server two. So server one. Let me access the SSMS SQL Server Management Studio. Opening the SQL Server Management Studio on the both the server. I'll access and let me know that both the servers are working perfectly with the SQL Server. So SQL Server Management Studio is opening. Okay, so I'm going to access through the name SA, and while installing we have given the password admin@123, test the certificate and connect. Same, I'll connect with the second server, localhost So opening, there is a list of the default databases, data warehouse databases are there, nothing else. I want to get the name of the server. So copy this and connect with the name, not with the local host. Let's say remove this one. So we have connected with the server name and second server also. You can get the name with them with the properties also. Here also we have a list of the databases. Now we are going to start. So come to the first server, go to the computer management. Tools will be there. There is a computer management. I'll show you the full step-by-step process. So here, go to the users. First, I will create the users, required users. So right click there, new user. So we need the 4 user on the main server. So REPL, I'm giving the name REPL underscore snapshot and put the password admin at the rate 123 admin at the rate 123 never expire. Copy this. We need the 4 user, then log reader admin at the rate 123 password never expired. Distribution will distribute the data. Now merge. Yes, merge. So done. All 4 are created. You can able to see all the 4s are created. Just close this. So we'll go through the documentation. So we have created all the 4 snapshot, merge, log reader, and this. Now list of the now come to there created on the publisher server. So this is the first server, publisher server. Second server also we need to create the RPL distribution and merge. So go to the second server, minimize this and open server manager, computer management. Go to the users and inside the user right click on that new user and here create distribution. Second we merge. So both the accounts are created here also. Now move to the server one, machine one, that is the publisher machine, and we will prepare for the snapshot folder. So inside the data folder, we'll create the snapshot folder. So come to this one and copy this. Better to copy this. Come to the server one, go there on the folders. C drive, program files, SQL Server management, SQL Microsoft SQL Server. Go to the MS 17. Go inside there will be data folder. Go inside the data folder and right click on that. Create a folder. So REPL data. Now right click on the REPL data. So we'll right click on that. We will go for the sharing, advanced sharing. Advanced sharing, inside that we'll folder permission and add the merge, distribution and snapshot, all the three. And there is a distribution read, merge read, and snapshot will be the full. Okay, the folder is closed. Let me open again. This is a data folder. Right click on this, go to the properties, sharing, advanced sharing, minimize this. There will be the checkbox, share this click, permission, add, advance, and there is a find option is there. I will go for the RPL. So distribution, merge and snapshot. We need all three. Okay. And distribution should be read, merge should be read, and snapshot should be full. So full control will be given to the snapshot. So it will create the snapshot of this. Apply. Okay. So this is the path. We'll copy this path and we'll keep this path here. So permission I allow, read and full control. And this is the path. So this folder will be empty now. And close. Do the same thing. Right click on this. I'll give the security for this one. Go to the properties. Go to the security tab. And there is a edit, add, advance, find, and go to the last distribution, merge and snapshot. Click on OK. For the distribution, give only read permission. Okay. And merge, read permission, only read. And go to the snapshot and give the full control of this. So apply. Okay. This is necessary to give the proper permission, otherwise it will give you the error while creating the merge replication. Now check the folder. Folder is empty now. Move to the next part. So we have done this one. Now we'll create the distribution. So distribution will be the first. So connect to SSMS management with your credentials. Log in with the server name instead of the server IP and follow the video. So go there. Let me open the SQL Server Management Studio. This is the GUI tool for the SQL Server where we can manage the databases. Okay. Meanwhile, we go to the documentation. So we'll create the distribution here. Okay. Distribution here, and then we'll create one database, and we'll just create a table and insert some data. Then we'll set the permission at the publisher. So SSMS security, right click logins and new logins and search and advance and find the RPL snapshot and all the databases which one you want to create the merge replication. You have to give the ownership for the distribution database will be created above, and your publisher database just like here we have created the Chirag. So Chirag, you have to give the full permission on that. So server name, password, remember the password. So login. Okay. Go to the replication, expand this, right click on the replication. You will the find configure distribution. So click on this. This is the configure distribution wizard. Go to the next with the name server name. Here we will put that share path. So this is the share path. 9 km. This is a 9 km and reply data. So click on next. Distribution. If you want to change the data file and log file path, then you can change. Otherwise, leave it at default. Next, next, configure distribution. Next, and finish. So configuring the distribution, enabling publisher win, and this is a server name. So in process. So configure the distribution is success, enabling publisher is also success. So click on close. Now we'll create a database. So go to the new query. These are the simple command we can create the database. System is somewhat slow. Both the servers are running on the VMware. Okay. Open. Now Control V. Now I'm going to create a database. These two command create database name, go. You can select the database from here also. We're selecting the database. The master will change to Chirag, and we'll create a table, test table, and we'll inserting some data. So this is done. Now I'm close to this. Close this one. Don't save. Right click there. Refresh this one. So here Chirag database will be created. Chirag is created. You can check the table. Utilization is high somewhat. So expanding the tables. So now let's move to the next step. We'll just create the users logins. So right click on that, new login. Okay, new logins is open. So here I'll search that advanced and find now same process I have to go. So RPL distribution. First I'll take one by one. So first take the snapshot. Okay. And go to the user mapping. You'll get the list of the databases. So I'll map the database just like Chirag, and I'm giving the DB owner. And one is the distribution, and also for the distribution also you have to give the DB owner. And go to the general, just click on OK. So same process I'll go again. So right click on the logins, new login. So all the fours we have to add. So snapshot is added. Now same process I'm going to repeat. Merge, user mapping, Chirag, DB owner, distribution, DB owner, and click on OK. Merge and distribution are added. Right click on this again, go to the new login. Search, advance, and log reader. Chirag, DB owner, and this distribution will be also DB owner. Now go to the last one. So merge is still pending. Search, advance, find now. Which one is distribution is pending, I think. Log reader we have taken. Okay. So click on OK and OK. Then go to the user mapping. Click on your database, which one you want to merge, doing the merge replication, and this will be a distribution, always will be the DB owner. So click on OK. Then now expand this one. You will get all the ports are added here. Okay, with the server name. So we have done this one. So first part work is done. So we have completed the distribution and publisher configuration on the publisher server. Now we are going to configure the replication between two fully connected server for the merge replication. So configure the publisher to the transaction replication. So we'll connect with the publication and define the articles. So connect with the publisher server and we'll just define which one we want to create. So go to the publisher server and replication, local replication, right click on that, go to the new publication, click on next, Chirag database, select the database which one you want to publish, next. So there is a public list of the type of the publication. We already did the transaction publication. So now I am going to the merge publication. Next, SQL Server 2008 or later, yes. Next, retrieving the data from the server, we'll see the articles means all the tables, and uh, this one views table function, views tables, and so let it retrieve data from the server. So we got the table. So if you expand, you can able to see test table is there. So okay, next, next, next. So create the snapshot immediately, and occurs in every 14 days. This one will be the for the merge application. So if you want to change, then you can change this one for the as your requirement, or every 14 days automatically the snapshot will be created. So snapshot agent, go there. You have to give the domain and account names. For that snapshot we need. So right click on this, go to the name, copy this one and put there password admin@123 admin@123. Click on OK. Next, publication name Chirag. I'm giving Chirag pub. Okay, or you can merge replication also. You can give. Click on finish. So creating the publication. So creating publication Chirag pub and adding the article, then it will start the snapshot agent. So this one start the SQL Server agent, not started, already started. So replication, local replication, new publication. We have done this part. So security setting we have done. We have given the snapshot detail. Now this is completed. We can view the snapshot agent generation. There should be 100% of creation generation of the article. So let it complete. Okay, one by one article. We have only one test database. So that is everything is success now. Just close this one. So now go to the snapshot, minimize this, expand the local publication. You can see just now we created the publication. So right click on this, view snapshot agent status. Okay, SSL provider, the certificate chain issues by, that's not a problem. Right click on this, go to the properties, publication access list, add to distribution also. So this is a distribution, add. Now we'll move for the merge replication. So right click on this name, go to the new subscription, click on next. We have a publisher name, publisher will be the this one, and we have a merge replication. You can able to see there is a two arrow are there. So next, so subscriber, you have to add the SQL Server subscriber, add. So I'm adding with the second server. So second server details I need. So I'll connect with the server name. Okay, there is a SQL Server authentication SA admin@123. So connected. Now you can see we don't have the Chirag database there. I'll create a database. So here go to the new database. Where is it? Chirag replication REP. Okay, I'm creating this. Click on OK. So after creating this, I'm moving to the second server. First, I'll give the permission. So go to the security, logins, right click on login, new login, search, advanced. Same process, I'll go and I'll connect the user. So user mapping, This is the my database. Give to DB owner. Same process. New, search, advance, and now merge. You can able to see the name, or if you know the name, then you can search there also. DB owner. So both the users are imported on the logins and giving the DB ownership for the particular database. So right click and refresh that. Database is created. Okay. So expand this one. So we don't have the table now. I'll just merge from the first one. So go there. So complete this one. Click on next. Here we need to merge the agent details. So publisher details and subscriber details. So go click here. First we need the merge agent security. So go to the security logins. So we need the merge. Right click on this. Go to the rename and copy this one. I need the same name. Username password admin at the rate 123 admin at the rate 123. Then I need to give the submit button. How I'll give. Let me change the properties for my system. The few seconds I'm changing. I want to give the permission. Okay. So given the okay. Next. This is completed. So click on the next now. Click on next. So initialize next. Server details priority next. Create a subscription next and finish. So creating the subscription for the win is the server details are there. And RPL folder. Just refresh this one. Creating the subscription is success and creating the snapshot agent. Okay, snapshot is not available. We have to create the snapshot, then it will work. So click on close. Now here you can able to see expand this one. So this one, go to the synchronization status. So start this. Before that, if I'll create the snapshot, that will be better. So let me check it, let it complete. Go to the second server. Let me check table is created or not. Not created because synchronization is not done. Closing this one. Let me create the snapshot first time. Snapshot agent status. What replication will do? Will the insert the data from the both the servers and it will be synchronized to each other. Means we can insert the data from the 130 also and here also. So this is the 130, this is 134. So generation is 30% article procedure with this is working now. So snapshot agent is creating. So let it complete full. Taking too much time, so let it complete everything, then only it will work. So snapshots agent should be successfully 100%, then only it will create the data on the second server. UNC folder is created. Server is somewhat slow. That's why this is taking time. So we have to wait. We don't have any other options to complete this one. So snapshot should be created and this will create, snapshot will be passed to the second server and automatically the installation, the snapshot will be created on the second server also. And merge replication, both the databases will be the same on the both the servers and automatically it will synchronize and data will pass to each other from first server to second server. Both the servers are slow. I'm waiting for the complete this one. While creating this, completing this process, you can wait and you can just pause the video. You can forward. So I'm going to pause this video for now. We'll continue. Snapshot is created, generated 100%. Just close this one and let me check on the second server. So refresh this. So still, I think synchronization is pending. Let me check and check with the synchronization status. Not yet available. So just start this one because snapshot was not created. So synchronization was not working. So connecting to the publisher server. This is a KM and this is the okay. This is the KM publisher server is this one and applied the script to the this one test. So test is the my table name. Now go to the second server, refresh this. So table is created. Now let me check the data. Right click on this, select 100 rows, 1000 rows, and applied successfully. Now close this one. Now just check this side also. So you have 5 rows, and here also we are getting all 5 rows. Now what I'll do, I'll just add that data from one side. So here you can insert directly command. So I'll just add one, insert into in the 133. I'll insert one data, insert into this one will be I'm putting 6 and here name is Chirag. So I'm inserting this data. Column name number of supplier does not match with the okay. So I need the row ID. Okay, that's not issue. I'll insert. I'll edit the row. 7. Here I'll put Dhruv. So editor is still working. Due to the configuration, the server is slow. Yeah, we can insert the data like this also 6 and here I'm putting the name Chirag and enter. So it will generate the row ID. Using the row ID only, it will merge. So both the servers you can able to see there is just some row ID is there. Not responding. My publisher server is too much slow. Let me check the configuration. 4 GB and 4 core. Okay, next time, next presentation, I will just increase this one at least 8, and this will have give to the 6 or something. Close this. Still not responding. Okay, so inserted the data. So data is inserted. Let me check on the second server. So data will be not available in the second server or not. You can see. So data is not available. So what I will do, servers are disconnected. Let me connect again. 133. So go to the SQL Server agent, expand this. Here you can able to see this is the publisher windows with the merge replication jobs are there. So right click on this and start the job. For the testing purpose or automatically when the time is given, automatically it will be synchronized. So start. 100% is that and success. So right, let me check with the second server. This one the first server. This is the second server. Execute this. So Chirag is added there. Means service whenever the service will be automatic run. So merge will be automatic run and you can set the time. Now I'm going to insert in the one row in the second server. So now I'm going to here also you can add with the edit. So I'm going to add one there row and enter this. So data is added. Going to restart the service. So you can manage the service. Okay, we have to manage the service from the server one only. Server 2. First, let me check data is updated or not. Data is not updated. Now what I will do, I'll just restart the service. Manually I'm doing, you have to schedule this one, you have to recurring as per your requirement. Publisher server is somewhat slow, so we have to wait. Start job at. Now I'm going to start. So still in progress. So success. Now check this one. So data is inserted on the first server also. So we are going to be insert the data on the both the server. This will be automatically synchronized to each other. Okay. So in this video, we have learned how to configure the SQL Server 2025 merge replication on Windows Server 2025. Step by step process I have shown to you. There are the simple steps. We have to create both the server. Both the servers are running on the VMware workstation. That's why some servers are somewhat slow. So follow the process shown in the video and follow me on the social link. There is a YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. WhatsApp group is also there, and Telegram channel. You can follow that and follow the process shown in the video. So share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. And for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Subscribe to my channel for free certification tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.